Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. Now, have I got a big surprise for you guys? I pretty much went on a massive makeup shopping spree and bought a bag load of new makeup to test and try on. I'm just so excited. I haven't tried on any new makeup in ages because I've been pretty much replaying and trying out the eyeshadow palettes that I already have, but I thought it was quite nice to sort of take a break from that and actually try on and play with some new makeup. As much as it's lovely playing around with the old makeup I have, it's also nice once in a while, not all the time, but once in a while, to play and try on some new makeup. I thought the best way to start would be to try on the Revolution Glam Glow eyeshadow palette. This is a festive eyeshadow palette that they're bringing out for Christmas, but I'm sure after Christmas there'll be some more of this palette going around. And I'm also going to be trying part of that same range as well, the Revolution Soft Glam Mascara in a pouch. So this is a very sparkly, bougie packaging. So I'm going to try the eyeshadow palette and the mascara, and I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts about them. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe, and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to know my thoughts on the Revolution Glam Glow eyeshadow palette and the Revolution Soft Glamour mascara with a glittery pouch, just keep watching. Okay guys, my hair has been messily tied back and I apologize for my eyebrows. I'm currently tinting them at the moment, so at the end I will be peeling the tint off. Okay, so obviously the first product we're going to be trying is the eyeshadow palette. Oh, I just appear to be having that upside down. So this is the eyeshadow palette here. So this one is the Revolution Glam Glow eyeshadow palette. So it comes in this sort of like rose pink packaging, and then obviously you've got the eyeshadows on the back. I will be putting the prices of both of the items on screen. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like outside the packaging. It's just that really nice sort of, I don't know how to describe it, like this bag sort of feeling. You know, like those sort of like really fancy clutch bags? That's what it feels like. Like if you had a chain for this eyeshadow palette, it would definitely look like a clutch bag. I'm not even joking. So you get a really nice mirror, and I'll just show you the colours. So these are the colours you get in here. So you've got like a couple of you've got a few warm tone colours in here, but you've also got like cool tone colours as well, so like some cool tone colours and a little bit of warmth. So it's not like your sort of like orangey bright colour palette. It's definitely not that. It's sort of got a couple of hints of warm but more cool toned, and then you've got these like beautiful shimmers, especially this like sort of rose gold colour. Oh my god, it looks absolutely stunning. So in this palette you currently have got a total of, so with mattes you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you've got 7 mattes, and then for shimmers you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you've got 10 shimmers in this palette. Okay, I want to do something really smoky but fun. I really, because this like rose gold colour, oh my god, it's just calling my name. It just looks so pretty. I'm first going to take this colour right here. So it's like a purple, brown, grey undertone colour. I don't really know how to describe it, but I'll be taking this colour. Just going to take just an angled brush. It's just a Freedom brush. And we'll just see what the pigment's like. So I'm only going to stamp it just on the outer bit here. Okay, that eyeshadow is not that bad, and to be honest with you, there wasn't a lot of fallout with that one at all, so I'm quite impressed for a darker colour. I'm now going to take this colour, so this one right down the bottom here. It's sort of like a lighter purple pink kind of colour, but it's, yeah, like a purpley pink colour. Just go grab it on a Revolution like fluffy brush, and I'm just going to start, oh yeah, this one's got a little bit more fallout, that colour. So I'm just going to just blend this in, ring this round, and then start bringing it out. Just going to go back in with a bit more of that colour. I'm just going to be adding just a little bit more so we don't lose the intensity of that colour. Okay, I've just cut my lids off camera, just done like a rough cut crease, not a perfect one, but those colours are blending so beautifully. I had to build the purple up just a like purplish grey colour a little bit more. I thought it was brown, but on the lid now it kind of looks a bit more on the purple kind of side, but it's still a lovely colour nonetheless, and they've just blended out really, really nice. So yeah, I'm kind of obsessed. Now you guys know what colour I'm going to use for that lid. I have got to use this rose gold colour. So I think, yeah, I think I'm going to use the brush I used to cut my lid with, just so then I can add it on precisely. In fact, I'm just going to swatch it. Ooh. It's just a very subtle colour. I don't think you'll be able to see it, but it's very subtle. So there's the colour there. Just going to pack it on. I think I'm going to use a different brush actually. Let's try something else. Just grabbed it on this flat brush instead. Oh yeah, that's a little bit better. Let's see how it applies on with the finger. Yeah, it does apply a little bit better with the finger actually, guys. Oh, that is pretty though. That is really pretty. Yeah, so it's not the most pigmented, but if you use your finger, then use your brush for like precision, then you can definitely make this colour work. If you can hear any clicking in the background, by the way, it's my heater. Oh, it's just so cold at the moment in the UK, and I've got an old-fashioned heater on in the background and it keeps making clicking noises, so I'm sorry if you can hear it a little bit. So finger is definitely the best option for that eyeshadow. It does show like quite a bit of texture on your lid, so, but it does come out a bit more like a cream formula, so maybe it might be best to sort of wear it with just an eyeshadow base and not concealer, because then it won't show as much texture. But it is very, very pretty. It's just quite a subtle shift of pink and gold, but it is very pretty. I want to try this colour now. It's pretty much like a cranberry colour, and I don't know, it just looks really pretty. And I just want to apply that just right next to the rose gold we've got going on. So I'm just going to grab a little flat brush. Yeah, it's a very similar deal to that other colour, but I will give it credit. This colour is a little bit more pigmented than the rose gold. So just add a little bit with my finger. That colour is definitely the same formulation as that rose gold. It is definitely a little bit more pigmented, but you still have to use your finger first, then a brush. It's not my favourite combo together because, as you can see, it is showing a lot of texture. I'll bring it closer so you can see. But it's showing like a little bit of texture here on my lid. You can see that line here and that line there. So these kind of eyeshadows will show a little bit of texture on your lid. It might be best just to wear like one colour on the whole lid with a couple of mattes in the crease. They are both really pretty, but they're just not my favourite together. Okay, I'm now going to take the colour next to it. This colour right here, this really pretty shimmery, like a pink colour. I'm going to use that just for the inner corner and my brow bone. So I'm just going to grab a little lip brush. Just going to pop that right in the inner corner. Ooh, that pops so pretty. This is definitely more of like the powder eyeshadow formula. This is definitely not a cream like the other two are. Okay, I did this without realising, and I was supposed to use another matte in the crease just to blend it out a bit more. And I've already put my brow bone highlighter on, so that's going to be a little bit awkward, but I want to add another matte. So I'm going to take the sort of peachy matte down here, right down the bottom, this one. Just going to take this on a Studio London brush. It's like a fluffy brush, but it's quite angled, so hopefully I won't catch the brow bone highlighter too much. So I'm just going to take that colour, just to kind of add a little bit more of a colour. Okay, I think that did work. I think I did catch the brow bone just a little bit, but it did actually help. It really did help blend the colours together. So those mattes now, I'm going to run them under the lower lash line. So start with the darkest colour. So just knock the product off the brush, but then I'm just going to bring that shimmery colour and just sort of bring it down. I think just to add a bit more smoky to the lid, I'm going to go back with that darkish purpley grey colour, and I'm going to start adding it to my lid. just ever so slightly, like creating like a liner. Okay guys, this eyeshadow palette is really good. The mattes in it just blended so amazingly. These eyeshadows though, like this one and this one, these two are a little bit more on the cream side. So I would say with those two, like, don't use them both together because, yeah, I feel like they're just going to over-exaggerate a lot of texture. So just use one and use your finger when applying those two shades. But the mattes are gorgeous, and the rest of them definitely look like shimmers. They definitely don't look like creams. But this is a nice palette. I mean, it's really pretty. I mean, £12, it is expensive. I mean, the Revolution have definitely put their prices up, but I think the eyeshadow palette quality is there. I think it's really, really good. And it's just a very sort of fancy packaging as well. This is really, really fancy. I think it's pretty. I think it's really, really nice. Like, definitely grab this when it's on sale or on offer or something, because I know this is like a festive palette. So when it's on sale, definitely grab it. But I think it's really nice. I think this is a really nice palette, and I really like the packaging. Next, I'm going to be testing out the mascara, which was sort of very matching with the eyeshadow palette. This is the Soft Glamour Mascara with reusable glitter pouch. And it says on the back that it's a volumizing mascara with reusable glitter pouch. So this is what the box looks like. So you've got, it's black and it's got the little R all over it for like Revolution. This is what the pouch looks like. So this is definitely very festive, very, very sparkly. It definitely feels like none of the glitter's gonna fall off, which is really nice. If it had that gritty feeling and then all the glitter was gonna go everywhere, I'd be quite disappointed. And this is the mascara right here. So it's just a very simple Barbie pink packaging. And then you've got the little lid here, which has got like a little bit of detail on the top there. This is what the brush looks like. So as I'm turning it, you can see that the bristles are just all moving around. I don't know how to describe this head, sorry. I've got like a massive brain disappearing moment. But yeah, this is what the head looks like anyway. So let's see if this mascara is any good. So I'm going to go in with the first coat. So this claims it's meant to be volumizing. Okay, it's definitely very separating, so I'm just going to go in with another coat. And then lastly, a coat number 3. Okay, this mascara, guys, it's not my favourite mascara from Revolution. I feel like it hasn't... Oh, I don't mean to be unkind, but I feel like it hasn't really done anything for me. It's not really volumized. It hasn't really lengthened. The packaging is beautiful, don't get me wrong. Like the little pouch that it came with is so pretty. Very glamorous, very festive. It's giving me the sort of lights, camera, action vibes. You know, the Tarte mascara. That's what this is giving me. That sort of vibe. So it is a beautiful pouch. But the mascara inside though, it's not worth it. Like Revolution do some other fantastic mascaras, like their original Revolution mascara, the bronzy tube one. Oh, that one is so good. That proper volumizes, grabs every lash. It gives you that slight clumpy effect to the lash if that's what you're going for. This mascara is more if you want an everyday kind of mascara, then this might be your jam, but it's not really giving me the length and volume that I want. In fact, my mascara is actually just dried. I'm just gonna add a little bit more dried just to see if we get a different result. No, I can already tell, guys, that it's not gonna grab anymore. Sometimes when a mascara has dried, sometimes some mascaras perform better when your lashes are dry. I know that sounds very strange, but it's true, some mascaras do. But no, straight away I could tell that it was going to clump up even more. So yeah, I like the eyeshadow palette. I really like that. Just the mascara isn't particularly my favourite. Love the packaging, so I love the pouch. But yeah, they do some other better mascaras than this one. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to, link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching, have a great day, stay safe, and I thought my previous 2 videos were actually going to be past Christmas, but it turns out it's these 2 videos that are actually going to be around Christmas time. So this time, I wish you guys a very merry, happy Christmas, happy Hanukkah, whatever you're celebrating. I've got my Christmas top on, I've got my holly on, my hair bands on, my very sparkly ones which I got from Primark. Let me know what you guys are getting for Christmas. I'm very excited. So have a great time guys, whatever you're doing, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye guys, take care.